Alright, so here's the mayo. And we're about to get this in a jar. I'm going to use some of it for my ranch. Yeah, look how smooth and creamy this mayo is. Okay, let's get it in a jar. Half of it in a jar and half of it I'm going to keep in here to blend my ranch. The beauty of knowing what you're giving your family. Oh my gosh, look at that. Nice and creamy mayo. Alright, so that's the mayo, and this is what I'm leaving in there. About to put my buttermilk in here and make the ranch. You guys couldn't see. Yep. Alright. Alright, let's get the ranch in the container. Syrup is underway, and yeah, I gotta make some more brown sugar. I have links to this on how to make that, but yeah, let me put this in there. Yeah, and put my cinnamon and stuff in. Okay, gotta fill my avocado. That's simmering, and that'll be going in this bottle, and we're about to put the avocado in there. Why is it so? Yeah, I'm about to put some more avocado oil in there because that's what I use for my mayo and my ranch. Almond butter done. So here's the almond milk. Here's the mayo, the ranch, the syrup, and I also make my own strawberry jam. And you will be seeing a video in the future of this here, my bread. I make that myself as well. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like when it first comes out the oven, but it is so tasty. And these are the tortillas. We end up eating some egg salad wraps with lettuce and like spices. It was some spicy egg salad with these, and these are so good. I make these myself as well.